So this is how you build a mystery Lego thing. So these pieces, you just need to attach this one here, this one here. Then you need to grab another one, put them like so. Then you want to connect a little bar piece. Then get a little snap brick with this little tile stud thing. Place that. Attach this here. You probably know what it is now. Then take this, attach this, take one of these. You can get them from some. Then you want to take this, attach this to this, and now attach it like so. Attach a stud, sorry if it's not visible. Attach one of these. Attach one of these. And finish it off with one of these. You want to place that here. Then duplicate this. Now these might look like useless bar clips, but they are needed for an important piece. So what you want to do is you want to connect this to here, this to here, this to here. You want to duplicate that, place it on here, and oh wait, I just need to reattach that. And now, finally, get these bunch of pieces. Take this piece and this piece. Cut it. This. Like so. Place that here. And there you go. This is what I'd like to call Mr. Gold 2.